cute Shivi is hungry, and she is fond of curd. So you see how she eats. No, sit. No, no, no. First, she is not Rocky, so she won't obey. Rocky obeys always. See, look, she is too much fond of curd. Here, she loves curd. Very good. So I am giving her roti with curd. See, she has a great hankering for curd. She's too much frolic and quite naughty. You have to eat this also, okay? Not only curd. She's not eating roti. She's only yes. This time she has it. Huh? Good girl. Sit down. You want more? Shivu? Shivu, you want more? Look at her. How cute she's looking, eating curd and roti. baby. Eat all. Eat at once. एक बार में खा लो. Very good. You want more? Shivu, you want more? Look. Eat at once. Oh, yes. I was eating roti and she comes here और उसको भी रोटी चाहिए. Oh no, I'll give you. No, I will give you, okay? I will give you. It is fun to see her eating roti like this. See? Look at her tongue. Good. How are you? I'll give you. Yes. Sure.